Now, days after a Pakistani spy was arrested in Panipat, another suspected spy has been arrested in Kaithal district for allegedly sharing sensitive military information with a Pakistan-based contact. That's a 25-year-old Devendra Singh, arrested in Kaithal. Now, Devendra allegedly captured and shared photographs and videos of military installations in the region. In fact, the investigation has also revealed that he had traveled to Pakistan via the Kartarpur corridor in November last year, where he reportedly came into contact with his handler. He was sharing information since then. Now, mobile phone has been seized by the police and is investigating the bank account details of the spy who has been arrested in Kaithal.
यहाँ पे एक लड़का है देवेंद्र सिंह मस्तगढ़ है हमारे गुला थाने के एरिया में वहाँ का रेजिडेंट है 25-year-old है ये इसके जो लिंक्स हैं पीआईओ जो पाकिस्तानी इंटेलिजेंस ऑपरेटिव्स हैं उनके साथ सामने आए हैं तो इसमें हमने एफआईआर दर्ज करी है और इसकी हम जांच कर रहे हैं। ये जो ननकाना साहिब जो गुरुद्वारा है जो पिलग्रिमेज है उसमें गया था और वहाँ पे ये कांटेक्ट में आया था पीआईओ के वहीं से उनसे कांटेक्ट में ये कंटिन्यूसली लास्ट ईयर नवंबर में गया था ये तब से उनसे कांटेक्ट में है। इनका फ़ोन जो है हमने सीज़ किया है तो फ़ोन के हम लोग जो फोरेंसिक एनालिसिस है वो करवा रहे हैं ताकि जो भी एविडेंस है वो हम ऑब्टेन कर सकें और साथ ही साथ इनके जो बैंक अकाउंट्स हैं सारी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है साइंटिफिक इन्वेस्टिगेशन है वो हम करेंगे।
Now let's go across to my colleague Gurpreet who's joining us on the broadcast to get more details. Gurpreet, help us understand now that the Pakistani spy has been arrested. What information was that individual sharing with his handlers potentially that has also helped with investigating officers to arrest him?
Well, that is a part of investigation which has already been initiated by the local police. What we have learned in the preliminary investigation, they have got information this man was in touch with the Pakistan intelligence operators, and after they got a huge information from the various sources, finally they nabbed him. They have already seized his mobile phone. They are trying to get all the details, all the evidence from the phone so that they will be able to understand what type of information has been leaked by this a man who has been arrested by the Haryana police. What we have learned during the preliminary investigation, the police said they have learned from his interrogation that he had gone to Gurdwara Sahib when he had come in touch with all the Pakistan intelligence operators, and after that he was sharing some information. What we have learned also, all the bank details are being scrutinized by the Haryana police so that they will be able to find out all the details, how much money he has already got by delivering this information to them. So what type of information he was providing to them, that is still under the investigation. At this point of time, even the police is reluctant to reveal more about this case, but they say that all the dots have already been connected in this case and they have got a huge evidence against him which disclosed that he was totally in touch with the Pakistan intelligence operators, and now they are trying to find out what type of information had been provided by him to them. Back to studio.